Hello.
Nissan.
He is losing the screw. Madhibaran. Just looking what it happened. He disconnected the connection and he observing
Finish.
and he adjusting the size of the wire. Yeah, he observed. Wow! Wow! By taking a knife, he's cutting the body shape for the. Wow! Wonderful!
Wonderful எவ்வளவு ரேட் தெரியுமாடா?
Then he's putting inside wire. Wow! And he is disconnecting the total connection of the main wire.
Door light.
Door light.
ഇതിൽ ഇത് ഇല്ലേ ഫ്ലാഷ് ലൈറ്റ് ഇല്ലേ?
Wow! Wow! It is contains two line, a white and a red.
രണ്ട് വരെ വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കേ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Wow! Taking a wire cutter, cutted white, red. Oh! He prepared a extra wire connection and he taking the coil
എടാ നീ എവിടെ ഫോട്ടോ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് നീ?
and connecting red wire to red and white wire to green. Wow, he's a expert technician. Cutter technician.
കത്തർ ടെക്നീഷ്യൻ.
Wow, he's observing there is current or not.